The game administrator has access to a backend statistics control panel. This panel offers the administrator a general view of the player's progress. The administrator can track the progress of each player individually or have the statistics for a specific area. In this way, you can track which areas are more problematic and require improvement by the users and which domains are being controlled. The control panel also offers the administrator the tools to add, redefine, or delete questions so that the platform can be updated whenever it's needed.